Hello everyone, hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making akara. Akara is a very popular Nigerian snack. It is made with beans. You have to peel off the beans coat before making it. These are the ingredients we are using. That's my pepper, onions, a little salt, and the beans. You have to peel off the beans coat before you make akara. All I have to do is to grind it in my blender. You can actually use a different method to blend this your beans. You can use mortar. I'm going to bring the picture of a mortar on my screen now. That's a mortar. You can use it to grind it too. The grinding of beans actually involves two processes. The first blending and the second. The first is just to grind the beans so that it can be in puree form. The second is to blend it to be smoother than it was before and to incorporate air into it. I'll start by adding some portion of the beans. You don't need to put too much beans into your blender so that you will not strain your blender. And the beans doesn't need, akara beans doesn't need too much water, unlike moi moi. So you have to be very careful when adding water so that your akara beans will not be too watery. You can add habanero pepper, you can add scotch bonnet, you can add whatever pepper you like, you desire to your akara. But I'm just leaving this akara simple. This is the recipe my mom does in the village. This is a very straightforward recipe. I don't want to miss that akara taste, because sometimes after adding ginger, this, that, you miss that main akara taste, that native akara taste, you miss it. Now I'm going to blend my beans. I'm going to blend it the first one. I'll be pouring it into that pot. After that, I'm going to start reblending it. With each one I blend, I'm going to fry it. That is a very simple, straightforward recipe I'm using today. This is my first blending. This is the last one of the first blending. Please don't add too much water to your beans before blending so that the akara will not be very soft and runny, so that it can be easy for you to mold it, like to scoop it into the frying oil. This is my akara after blending it, the first one. As you can see, the water in it is a bit separated. I'm going to start blending it the second round. With each one I blend, I'm going to fry it. I don't want to blend it in the second process. I don't want to blend it and keep it. With each one I blend, I'm going to fry. That is the best method to do your akara. If you are using the mortar, after you mix it and incorporate air using your pestle, you fry that portion before doing the next one. Before you start blending the second time, please make sure you put your oil on the fire. The oil needs to heat for about a minute, 2 minutes on minimum heat. This is the second blending. Please blend it on a high speed for 1 minute. On a high speed for 1 minute. You can tell the difference is very clear. This is the second blending. You can see how smooth and how together it is. Look at the first blending. You can see how it is a bit coarse and a bit separated too. After adding the second batch to the blender, I'll start frying the first batch. Our oil is hot enough. Don't allow your oil to be too hot, and don't add your akara in a cold oil. With a hot oil, the akara is not going to cook and it will start browning, and with cold oil, the akara is going to absorb excess oil. Use a curved spoon to scoop in your akara. Don't use a flat spoon. If your blender is below 500 watts, please make sure you soak your beans for some hours before you blend it. It will make it easy on the blender, and it will make it easier for the blender to blend it better as well. So So I'm going to use my skewer to turn it. If you don't have skewer, you can use fork to do this procedure. Once it's golden brown, I'm going to remove it from the hot oil to avoid burning. As you can see, making akara is pretty straightforward, and there is no more, it doesn't require too much skills. So make sure you make it for your family. Now for our bonus video is how to make pap akamu ogi. So this is my pap made by me. In it it has ginger. It's a ginger pap. So instead of adding water to dissolve this pap, I use zobo, hibiscus juice. In this my hibiscus juice has no sugar to it. It has no spice. It has nothing, just hibiscus juice. This is highly medicinal. It is highly nutritious. It packs a lot of vitamins, and it packs a lot of antioxidants. I don't know if you guys know, but this hibiscus juice is highly nutritious. Is nature's best. So after dissolving it, you add hot water to it until it thickens. It becomes a bit, it becomes like starchy, then you know it's okay. And that is it. You make your pap with hibiscus juice, dissolve it with hibiscus juice, and you make it. You can see how it looks. This looks better tested than saying it. Honestly, it's a must try. I know you guys enjoyed this my video. I'm going to show you the end products, my akara and the pap. This is the end product of my ogi. I'm going to add a little bit of milk and a sugar to it before drinking it. That's our akara. As you can see how beautiful it is, golden brown. My camera is not doing this ogi justice at all. It looks better. Like the color is so yummy and so attractive. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.